Garage.
Hey folks, it's Cliff Kissy Boy Smith coming to you with another video. I just wanted to show what I'm working on now, currently my new project. I've had this AMT 1960 Chevy Fleet Side Apache 100, whatever you want to call this truck. I've had this around for the last couple of years, excuse me. And I finally decided to go for it. And as you see, as you guys, if you're familiar with this kit, it comes with a go-kart. So I have some ideas to try and make this truck and kind of center it around the go-kart. And just want to show you guys the progress that I've made so far.
Surprise!
Hey, when you guys get here? Hey KB, we decided to stop by since we saw you working on a new project. It kind of reminded us of our first project back in 2020, the old shop truck for John's Dairy Farm. Yeah, we had a lot of fun with that deal.
Yeah, that's before I joined the crew. Love that truck. It's fun on parts runs.
No doubt about it. So hey, now that I got you here, what do you guys think we should do with this truck? I mean, I know each one of you has an opinion.
Great question, KB.
Well, I'm glad you asked, KB. I'd like to just see it have a nice little stance, nice color, nice little rumble, something to ride in and turn some heads. What do you think, Robert? Well, you've been knowing me a long time, Mark. You know I just want to be able to burn some rubber all day long from stoplight to stoplight. So we're gonna have to put in a really nice power plant. What about you, Jesse? What do you think?
Well, I do agree with both of you. I believe the stance is important, wheels and tires, and also having a good amount of power under your right foot. That doesn't hurt at all.
Around me too long. Well, KB, we're going to leave you to it. Me, Robert, and Jesse are all going to go see Dawn Smith over at DawnSmithArt. I believe I need a little work done. Work? What kind of work?
Oh, stay tuned. You'll see.
Okay, well, I trust you guys. Well, I'm just going to go over these parts for the build. All right, so once again, we're going with Iceman Collections for the power plant and the suspension, and for the brake rotors. And here you can see I put the front suspension in, and I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it pivotable, but we'll see what happens later on. And here you can see the stance up on jack stands. That's the position of the front wheels. Hopefully it'll lower it down a little bit more. Here's the rear end. And here it is sitting up on the jack in the front. And up on jack stands in the back. Hopefully I'll maintain the stance. Let's get it turned over. All right, and here's the underside of it. As you can see, I'm working with the Iceman Collections suspension portions. I'm not sure if the front suspension is going to be posable or not, but I did leave it posable for the moment, so I can either lock it in later on or leave it posable so I can have turning wheels. The rear end I'm still trying to figure out. I've made the axle tubes for the rear end, and just trying to figure out if the wheels are going to fit underneath here without having to cut too much into the wheel wells or to C-notch the frame or anything. Hopefully it'll, from what I can tell, the stance looks pretty good. You just saw the pictures, so. But that's all I've got for now. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm working on. The old 1960 Chevy custom fleet side, Apache, whatever you want to call it, from AMT. And hopefully I'll be able to do more videos of progress on this truck. But appreciate you guys for tuning in, commenting, and subscribing. See you next time.
On the next episode of the KBCC Garage, you are going to notice something very different. Stay tuned.